What?
Yeah.
What'd you say?
There's that video camera on my foot.
That's not very nice. Mom's not gonna like to see that on video. Okay, tell us what you're doing again.
We're making a strawberry cake for my mom's birthday.
And how old is she today?
How old? 32.
32?
And
What kind of cake are we making?
strawberry.
Why are we making strawberry?
Because that's what she loves.
She loves it?
Yeah.
Is she gonna marry it?
No.
Why not?
It's because then she'll have to eat it, and then buy another one and eat it, buy another one and eat it.
That's why she can't marry it?
Yeah.
This has nothing to do with your dad?
No.
Because she's already married.
Yeah.
Okay. Where's Bryce?
Bryce is at football practice.
Do you have anything else you want to say?
Yes.
What?
I go to hockey practice like once a week.
Uh-huh.
And
Are you a hound dog?
yeah. I'm gonna sing this song about it.
Okay, do it.
I'm the hound dog. I'm the hound dog. I'm the hound dog. I'm the hound dog. I'm the hound dog.
Okay, say happy birthday, Mom.
Happy birthday, Mom.